Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website to pay you cryptocurrency to your instantly in your wallet address. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. And this is the website name is BestCrypto, and just I show you the registration first. This website link available in the description, and you can join this website. It's very easy to joining. Just click register now, put your username, email, Bitcoin wallet address, so just put your passwords and just solve the capture. Okay, I have already account. Just I click login. I log in my account to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, just I click submit. Okay, the first way is the Faucet. You can earn from this website. Just click in the Faucet. You can earn 1 to 5 Satoshi every 30 minutes, and just click claim and just solve this capture. You can change your capture if you want. Just click submit, and you earn 5 Satoshi and 1 lottery ticket. Okay, the next one is the view ads and surface. I show you first view ads. You watch all these ads. Okay, 6 ads available. Just click it and watch 10 seconds. They pay you 1 Satoshi. This will be pay you 2 Satoshi, 3 Satoshi and 2 Satoshi. Okay, just you can watch this one. Just click, I click this one. Just is 5 seconds. Okay, and wait few seconds. So reload the page first, then show me the seconds. Okay, counting down seconds. And the page is reload. You can see the loading. Okay, after 5 seconds, just off this capture and click submit. Okay, and I earned the 1 Satoshi. This is the highlight. You can earn all of these. The next one is the surface. Surface is another way you can earn from here. Okay, you can earn this all cryptocurrency from here. Revenue share, the next way. Okay, share price is this much BTC. If you earn this much BTC, if you share, okay, this is the rules. The 1 share is this much. It will be received after 30 minutes, this 30 days. Okay, right now you want to share some cryptocurrency by share. You can share it, and share price is this much. After that you can earn this much. Okay, and this is a share price. The next one is the earn. Much more earning you can earn from here. Offer walls, lottery tickets. I share with you the lottery ticket, and this is the lottery ticket. This much user came here. This much lottery ticket the users buy. Okay, every lottery ticket is 1 Satoshi. After 5 hours this will be contest show as the winner. And this is the people come here. This person buys 6 lottery ticket and earn this much Satoshi, 80 and 50. Okay, this is 3 level sharing lottery ticket. This is 3 level 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I have a 6 Satoshi. I can buy 6 lottery ticket, but I don't want to buy. Okay, the next one is a hello game, the gambling game. And for my opinion, don't play this game. You lose your all BTC. The referral contest, you can participate in the contest. This person have this much referral, and just come join with my referral link. After 3 hours the contest is finished. After 3 hours, if maybe I want to be one of the this one, I'll be share with you the receiving payment. Okay, this is the new website. You can join this website and just join with my link. Okay, the next one is for earning is a Faucet list. I have a much more Faucet list. You can come here, join, just claim your free cryptocurrency from this Faucet list available in here. Okay, And if you have advertisement, you can put your advertisement. And if you want to overview your dashboard, just click in your account and click overview. This is your dashboard. Okay, now right now I want to share with you the minimum withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is this much Satoshi, 500 Satoshi. Okay, after reaching 500 Satoshi, you will be easily withdraw from this website. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website. Bye bye for now.